Okay, so let's tackle a question I see all the time online. People are studying for the CompTIA Network Plus certification, and they ask, great, but what jobs can I actually get with this thing? It feels like this baseline credential everyone says you need, but the path isn't always clear.
I'm so glad you brought this up. People often misunderstand it. They think it's just for one specific job. The truth is, the Net Plus is less like a key to a single door and more like a master key for the entire ground floor of the IT building. For employers, it's a huge green flag. It tells them, this person is serious, they've put in the work, and they won't need me to explain what an IP address is on day one.
Got it. So it's a signal of intent. What's that first door it unlocks? The absolute first job.
You're looking at roles like help desk technician, IT support specialist, or network support specialist. Basically, you're the first line of defense. You're the person employees call when they can't connect to the Wi-Fi, can't access a shared drive, or their computer just isn't talking to the printer. It's a lot of troubleshooting, but it's where you earn your stripes.
Right, the classic. Have you tried turning it off and on again, but with more networking knowledge? So after you've spent some time in the support trenches, what's the next level up? Where does Net Plus take you then?
Well, that's when you get to move from being reactive to being proactive. You can step up into a junior network administrator role. Instead of just fixing problems as they pop up, you're now responsible for building and maintaining the network itself. You're managing the routers, the switches, the firewalls. You become the digital plumber and electrician of the company, making sure the data flows smoothly and securely.
That makes sense. You move from fixing the leaky faucet to actually designing the plumbing system.
Exactly. And here's the real aha moment for most people. The network admin role isn't the final destination, it's the command center. Once you truly understand how a network is built and run, you have the perfect vantage point to decide your next move. It's the hub from which all the most interesting career spokes extend.
Okay, I like that hub analogy. So, what are the most exciting spokes right now? I assume we're talking about the big buzzwords like cybersecurity and the cloud. How does a networking cert get you into those fields?
It's the absolute prerequisite. You can't secure a house if you don't understand how doors, windows, and walls are constructed. It's the same logic. To be a cybersecurity analyst, you first need to understand the network you're trying to protect. NetPlus teaches you what normal traffic looks like, so you can spot the abnormal.
So it's about building the foundation before you can add the security cameras and alarm systems.
Precisely. And it's the same for cloud computing. All those cloud services, whether from Amazon or Google, still run on fundamental networking principles. Your NetPlus knowledge helps you get roles like a cloud support technician, where you're helping companies connect their on-site infrastructure to the cloud securely and efficiently. It's the language that the entire IT world is built on.
So it really is a launch pad, not a landing spot. If you had to boil it down for someone weighing their options right now, what are the key takeaways?
I'd say there are three big ones. First, think of NetPlus as your universal entry pass into IT. It's the surest way to prove you're ready for that first job. Second, it leads you to the career hub, the network administrator role, which then lets you pivot into high-demand specializations. And finally, you're not just learning one skill. You're learning the fundamental language of IT connectivity, which will be valuable no matter where your career takes you.